Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the glasses and sunglasses repair kit and 3 features you need to know about this. Number 1, this includes both Phillips and flat blade screwdrivers. Normally in sunglasses and glasses I've only found the flat blade, but apparently there's some out there for Phillips, so this gives you a leg up on the other. Now, the interesting thing on this one is feature number 2, and that's 2 different kinds of notepads. So depending on what kind of notepad you've got on your glasses, you've got a reasonable chance at finding something that will at least limp through until you can get back to getting proper repairs made. Feature number 3, and not all eyeglass repair kits can say this one, it includes a variety of screws to repair I think most of what's probably out there. So again, it may not be the best repair, but at least it keeps you active in things so that you don't have to accept less than the best. So you can see by the case that's in here, it's got a little bit of everything. Had to put it on its side to at least show you all the storage it had available. So this is something to take a look at and think about adding to your list of useful tools to have in unusual situations.